It's awesome. Honestly, the feeling of catching a monster you've never caught before is surreal, especially if you're surrounded with people who want the same thing as you. Hi, I'm Diana Vassallo, 26 years old, and I'm on level 21.
I'm Ricky Stone, I'm 29 and I'm level 33.
If I'm an expert in this reality, if I know a little bit about it, I know quite a lot about it.
IKEA Place in the park.
Yeah, and everything like sofa, you got table, you got everything, and you know, I'm just gonna put it like right in front of the house there.
It actually could pass as quite realistic. It looks realistically there.
I think it's as good as the game, but not as fun as the game.
I don't think I'd have as much fun catching sofas, but I think it'd be useful if I was going to design a house, definitely.
This augmented app, they all have different purposes, but this app do what it do good.
Hi, I'm Jake and I'm level 22.
I'm Danielle and I'm level 20.
House party.
So I think we'll have the sofa here, have the table in the middle, trying to find the right spot for it. What is this? This chair can go here, so it's going to have to go this way a bit more. Yeah.
No, sorry, please don't move the pen.
Oh.
Could you just turn it so, because I'd like the legs to be at a different angle.
So across the Good idea.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to a future filled with AR creatures and AR furniture, and a future filled with real creatures and real furniture. That'll be mint.